Hey Central fans, this is Reflections with Roro again, and I wanted to show you a data analysis feature in Renaissance Learning. So Milestones is coming up, and we need to make some small groups happen in our subject areas. So a really great tool for you to do that with is the reading and math dashboards. So in this segment, we're going to use the reading dashboard, and I'm going to show you how to make a report, and it's the same for math, but right now we're going to do reading. Double click on this, or just click. You're going to come over here to monitor student mastery. If you need to change the class, you can do that here by clicking this drop-down menu, but for purposes, we're going to just use this class. You're going to scroll down, and it's pulling up different domains here in reading. And I'm just looking over here at the percentages for your, beginning, developing, mastery of the standard over here. What you want to do is click on whichever domain you wish. I'm going to click on this one because it's got the lowest percentage. And now it brings up specific standards. So I'm noticing that I might really need to work on this specific standard with this class. And if I were to go further, then I could actually click on this and it would pull down student names. But since this is going on YouTube, I'm not going to do that, and I will stop here. So happy grouping.